The easiest pizza in the world, ready in less than 10 minutes, straight from the microwave. I'm going to start our recipe by adding 1 egg to this bowl. Then I'll add half cup of milk, half tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 cup of wheat flour, and I'll beat all these ingredients well. At this point, I'll add half tablespoon of baking powder and mix well again. Have you ever made homemade pizza before? Tell me how you do it. I'd love to know. Now I'm going to pour all our dough into this microwave dish. Then I will spread the dough over the entire dish. Not only is this pizza recipe very easy to make, it's also incredibly delicious. I'm sure you'll love it. Now I'm going to microwave it for 4 minutes. I've already taken the dough out of the microwave. Now let's add our filling. I'll start by adding tomato sauce, then spreading it on with a spoon. Now I'm going to add slices of ham, then slices of mozzarella, slices of pepperoni, then slices of tomato, and finally, I'm going to sprinkle on some oregano. Look how beautiful our pizza is turning out! You can vary the filling according to your preference. And we'll microwave it for 4 more minutes. I've already removed it, and now I'm going to cut a slice so you can see what it looks like. Look how delicious it is! I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. See you next time!